To view mutual fund profit and loss report from your home dashboard, go to Reports and click on Portfolio. Under Client Level, click on MF Profit and Loss Report. Over here, enter your client's name, select the report type, whether positive holding or all folios. Positive holding will show only the presently held folios, whereas all folios will show even the redeemed schemes in the report. Enter the details, be it asset class, summary or graph which you want to be reflected in the report, and click on Show. Mutual fund profit and loss report would be available. Over here on the top you can have the purchase details, switch in, redemption, switch out, dividend payout, dividend sweep out, current value, the profit or gain and the returns. The schemes would be listed in the asset category, be it debt or equity. Schemes highlighted in red shows the schemes which have been redeemed. Over here you also have what if scenario, which showcases for each scheme which has been redeemed, and if it had been held till now, what would the present value be. For example, this scheme had been invested in 1,50,000 and it was redeemed at 1,57,854. If the scheme would have held till now, the present value of this particular scheme would be at the top right, would be 3,26,517. You can also have the respective details below, such as summary by AMC, summary by scheme category, summary by investor, summary by asset allocation, scheme past performance, and so on. This report can be mailed, SMS'd, downloaded as Excel file, PDF file, or even have a printed version. Thank you.